Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how we can block notifications from our Google Chrome browser. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So the first and foremost thing is we need to click on the Google Chrome app on our device. After doing so, we will be redirected to its user interface. Now simply we have to click on the three dots on the top right hand side of the screen. Now we will have these many options to select from. So now we have to select the settings option. After we select setting, we will have this kind of page. From all these options, you have to simply select the site settings option. So now from the site settings, we have to select the notification option. As we end up in notifications, you can see that now the notifications are turned on. However, to block it, you just simply need to press it off. Now we are all done with block notifications from Google Chrome. I hope this video was really helpful to you all, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these kind of videos. Thank you for watching.